Hello, my name is Dr. Jürgen Fischer. I'm a technical sales and application manager at Fiberstar. In this module, I will be talking about Citrify in vegan meat analogs. Citrify offers several benefits in such applications. First of all, our product improves the nutritional value. You achieve a fiber enrichment, but in addition, the energy density can be lowered by reducing carbs or starch. Chemical modified ingredients can be replaced to have a more natural product. This brings us to a major advantage. The declaration shows consumers which ingredients are used in a food product. These ingredients help consumers choose products when they are looking for a natural food. Citrify helps to replace food additives and adds the healthy image of a natural food fiber. For product development, the multiple technological functions are a key argument. Our product is helpful for moisture control, texturizing, and emulsification properties. Citrify is easy to use. Citrify swells quickly without the need of heat activation and provides stable moisture control during processing, which helps. You will see details later on. The product is allergen-free, and last but not least, end product quality can be improved. The higher moisture content gives a better juiciness, but you will also note that the cooking yield is improved without compromising the texture. Before I go into detail, I want to explain why Citrify works different compared to other fibers. The key is that Citrify has multiple functional properties. The soluble fraction adds viscosity and water binding. The insoluble part provides texture and water binding, and the protein has emulsification properties. This makes Citrify a perfect ingredient for clean label vegan products. Water binding is nearly always important for food application. In case of vegan products, the instant binding in the beginning of the manufacturing process is very helpful. You can see in these images that the fiber swells quickly within seconds. No heat activation is needed. You will see later in the presentation that this property makes it easy to use Citrify. For a better understanding what ingredients are needed to make a vegan burger patty, I grouped them into 3 subclasses. This classification is according to the function in the system. On the left, you can see ingredients, which helps in binding, emulsification, and moisture control. Ingredients which are added mainly because of the nutritional value are in the middle, and ingredients for flavor and taste on the right side. Citrify helps with improving the nutritional value. In addition, binding, moisture management, and emulsification are technological benefits. Here is a basic formulation which was used in the testing. I will show in detail at which step the ingredients can be added to make a good product by using a simple technology. The formula also works if you use other texturizing proteins. I have a control with flour, a sample with just citrus fiber, and the combination of citrus fiber together with modified cellulose. The reason for this was to see if methyl cellulose brings a benefit due to the gelling properties when heated. In the first steps, all ingredients except the texturized proteins can be mixed together and dispersed in water. Next step is adding oil. This seems to be not common, but thanks to the emulsifying properties of Citrify, it is no problem to bind the oil in this stage of processing. Some people recommend to prehydrate textured proteins in the beginning, but my recommendation is to add a textured protein directly to the emulsion. The emulsified oil will be soaked up by the texturized protein. Depending on the shear, you can produce fine or coarse structured patties. After some resting time, you can start to make patties. Last step will complete the procedure. You can steam cook or fry. This picture shows the advantage of instant swelling and binding without heat. Your quality of the raw material, especially the swelling of textured protein, may differ, but by changing the amount of Citrify, you have a good tool to adjust the viscosity without being too sticky. The heating step, compared to starch or flour, where you have the gelation point, has only a minimal effect. You can adjust the usage rate to the point that is perfect for shaping. The patties are stable during the heat treatment. Frying or another heat step will not destroy the binding. You can adjust the preferred bite by the amount of Citrify. This slide shows the results after frying the products using the test formulation which I showed in the beginning. The superior water binding or moisture regulation can be seen in the cooking yield. The patty using just Citrify increased cooking yield by 2.5% compared to the control, which has 3 times the amount of wheat starch inside. Yield is important in addition to the eating quality. Wheat analogues with Citrify are juicier and have a less bread-like taste. This slide highlights the result from the testings. Texturized vegetable proteins need to be bound together to form a structured patty. This can be done by using wheat gluten. Methyl cellulose can be used to help binding, especially if there is no heat in the beginning of the process. It provides stability during the heat treatment. In the final product, methyl cellulose gives the patty a smooth surface and a good bite when consumed warm. Citrify is used to bind water quickly and to emulsify. The consistency before and after heat treatment is similar. It is to adjust consistency and form patties. There is no heat required to make Citrify fully functional in the patty. The control using the flour produced a patty with a soft and mushy bite, which was less meat-like. I want to end with a few takeaways from this module. Citrify adds a nutritional benefit to vegan meat substitute. You can increase the fiber content and lower the starch level. As a result, this lowers the energy density. Our fiber improves the organoleptic properties. Due to the moisture management, frying loss is reduced, and due to the functional properties, Citrify can replace chemical emulsifiers and binders. Thank you for learning more about vegan meat analogues. There are other videos available in the video library covering Citrify's functionalities in various food applications. You can access the videos by either visiting our website at www.fiberstaringredients.com, or you can view these videos on our Fiberstar YouTube channel. If you have additional questions or need technical service, please contact any one of us listed. Thank you.